I'm Christine R. Zacarias at Treasuries. Did you know that computers, calculators, and other digital devices are sometimes looked upon by general public as being logical? Actually, digital electronics devices are extremely logical in their operation. The basic building block of any digital circuit is a logic gates. A person working in digital electronics understands and uses logic gates every day. Logic gates can be constructed by using simple switches, relays, vacuum tubes, transistor, and diodes or IC. Now, what about Boolean constant and variables? Boolean algebra differ in a major way from ordinary algebra in that Boolean constant and variables are allowed to have only two possible values, and these are 1 and 0. Thus, Boolean 0 and 1 do not present actual number, but instead represent the state of voltage variables, or what we call logic levels. In a Boolean algebra, there are no fractions, negative numbers, square roots, cube roots, logarithm, imaginary numbers, and so on. In fact, in a Boolean algebra, there are three basic operations: AND, OR, NOT, and the others are NAND and NOR. Stay tuned for more information. Thank you for watching.